Okay, so the last bit in the tutorial is to show it off. In other words, to show your world running on a mobile, on PCs, because your program, as soon as you press save, is on the internet. It's like publishing a video to YouTube. Everyone can now see it, and you can show it off wherever you are. Let's go and find our world again, and let's go search for my world. So there's my world, and I go on to my world. Now, the thing about my world is it's got the original boring blue cube, but actually the world is much more interesting than that now. So what I want to do is update that image so that it actually illustrates what the world looks like now. So it's pretty easy to do that because there's a big button here. So let's just update the image and see how it goes. So new image, it does a run, and during the run, it takes a snapshot of what's going on. So that snapshot is going to be accurate. So it says world image updated on server, and if I reload this page, there we go. So now anybody can Google Ancient Brain, go to the home page, search in worlds for wonderful or whatever you called your world, and there we go. They get a picture of, an accurate picture of what your world is. They can click immediately on it and run it. Okay, so we can find our worlds. As the last section is pointing out here, the site works on mobile, so you can show it off just casually to people on a mobile. And for some worlds, touch will actually drag the camera about. So you can try it, especially with those three.js worlds. Touch on mobile and tablets will move the camera, and you can interact with worlds through touch as well. People can find your world, so give it a good name. You can embed your world in another website. So if I go here to the homepage for the world, there's a whole bunch of ways of embedding it. You can embed it where it runs in a little frame. You can embed it where when you click on it, it starts a new window. And you can embed it where it automatically runs in a little frame. There's no click. As soon as the web page loads, the Ancient Brain world starts running inside the little, or perhaps quite big, iframe on your own website. So you can embed all these like YouTube videos on other websites. You can comment on other people's worlds, and there's all sorts of other functionality. You can go look in features. So that pretty much shows you how to code, how to share your code, how to look at other people's code, how to search, how to get help.